Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your speaker Onyx 8 with your PC. You have to start by clicking at the control panel at the right bottom and go to the Bluetooth. Now click More Bluetooth Settings and right here click at the Add Device, Bluetooth. Now press one time at the power button on your speaker to turn on it. And after that, press one time at the Bluetooth button to enter pairing mode. And now we should see it at the device list. Click on it. And then click Done. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!